Sobai runs 3 miles in the time it takes Gavin to run 1 mile. If they keep their pace, which means they don't speed up or slow down, how many miles will Gavin run if Sobai runs 9? Several of you got this right, and others did not. So this video is more so for people who, are a bit unclear in terms of how to approach this kind of problem. Um, it, it is pretty simple. So if we say Sobai is blue, when he runs 3 miles, Gavin runs 1. We'll say this is Sobai. We'll say this is Gavin. Our ratio is just what we see in front of us, 3 to 1. We can write it fractionally. We can also write it in standard form, 3 to 1. Hopefully that much is clear. The question, if Sobai runs 9, how many will Gavin run? So we can either extend our tape diagram to show what 9 miles looks like. So that's Sobai running 9 miles. That means I took this group of 3 and I wrote it once. This is one group of 3. I wrote it twice. That's the second group of 3. And I did it the third time. That's the third group of 3. 3 times 3, of course, makes 9. So if I'm doing 3 groups of what Sobai is running, I also need 3 groups of what Gavin is running. Gavin is running 1 mile for every 3. So that's 1 for this 3, 2 for that 3, and 3 for this group of 3. So again, Sobai gets 3 groups of 3, and Gavin gets 3 groups of 1. As a set of equivalent ratios, I can just write it over here. 3 to 1 is equal to 9 to 3. And we know that's so by simply multiplying both by 3. 3 times 3 makes 9. I have to multiply both of them by the same factor because the equal sign tells me that I have to maintain equality. 1 times 3 makes 3. So when Sobai runs 9, Gavin runs 3. And we have it down here. And that's about it for this one.